We got another box from CGC, so you know what time that is. Welcome to Pickin' and Punchin'. I am the Scoundrel Rob Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, modern day treasure hunter, and a full-time reseller. And today, we got another box from CGC. This is a box of 25 books. We sent this box in August of 2021 to be pressed and graded. So it took about a year to get back. And because it's a big box, I'm going to split this in two separate videos here, so this video is not too long. Now, as always, if you guys are new to the channel, we do plenty of unboxings, yard sales, flea markets, thrift stores. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like the type of content. We show you guys how to make money to pay for your hobby or make a little side hustle. So now, as we go through this box, I have not looked at the grades, so I will pull the books. I will show you guys first, and then here in the bottom corner here, I'll keep a running tab on what the books are bagging. So let's jump into this. All right, first book. All right, we got X-Men number 4, Omega, first appearance of Omega Red. I mean, if these were like my other ones, this should be a 9.8, hopefully. What do we get? 9.8. All right. Off to a good start here. 9.8. Pumped with that. All right, what do we got here? This is the Legends book from DC. Thing looks in really good condition here. I'm expecting a 9.8 on this, man. From 1986. What do we get? 9.6. Oh, all right. Oh yeah, do you see a little corner nick there? This is actually the first appearance of Amanda Walker. So this book recently heated up, so I'm glad to get it back. What do we got here? Oh, all right. This is actually my buddy's book. New Avengers. And there's a little crease in this back corner. It's definitely going to be maybe a 9.4 for him. Yeah, I'm saying like a 9.4. 9.2 maybe. Oh, 9.6. Okay. Well, okay. We'll be happy with that. New Avengers, number 7, first appearance from Illuminati. This book was really hot before the Doctor Strange movie, and then after everything that happened in the Doctor Strange movie, this book really cooled off. So 9.6, we'll still be happy with that. Oh, Beavis and Butthead. I am expecting, these Beavis and Buttheads look mint when I sent them in. I'm expecting a 9.8 on these. So if it gets something less, I'll be a little disappointed. I actually got 3 of them in here, I think, in this order. So 1994, what do we get? 9.6. Yeah, I do see a little spine tick there, but I sent these in because they were bringing back the movie and bringing back the TV show. So I was hoping to get these back in time. 9.6. I loved Beavis and Butthead as a kid. Okay, we got another one here. What do we get? This one's probably going to be a 9.6 too now I look at it. White cover in the back's tough. 9.6. Damn it. I was hoping to get one of these on a 9.8, man. Alright, what else we get? Here's another Legends book. Back cover looks mint. There we go, Legends. What do we get? 9.6. See a little spine tick there. This is the first appearance of the new Suicide Squad and an appearance by President Ronald Reagan. So from 1986. Thought this was a 9.8 candidate. I only see one little spine tick in the front there, but it is color breaking, so All right. Moon Knight #1. From 1989. I don't remember sending this book in. What do we get? 9.6. Bushman appearance. Moon Knight #1 from 1989. 9.6. Well, it seems like there's going to be a theme in this box. Everything's getting a 9.6 today. Barbaric. This is actually my buddy's book. This one should get a 9.8. All right, what do we get? 9.8. Barbaric #1 from 2021. You will be happy with that. Fantastic Four, 286. Not mistaken, I think this is my buddy's book. I'll have to go back and look at our papers. This may be his, but I'm assuming this would be a 9.6, 9.4. 9.8. That's in really good condition, man. Wow. Fantastic Four, 286. This is the return of Jean Grey, Captain America and Hercules appearance, and the formation of the X Factor begins. So 9.8, that's awesome. All right. The Eternals, #1. I remember sending this one in because the movie was coming out at the time, and it definitely did not get back in time. It is a newsstand, so hopefully a high grade on this one. 9.8. Wow. 1985. The Eternals, #1. 9.8 newsstand. That's great. There is a rumor that now we're going to bring back the Eternals for a second movie. So, first movie was okay. A lot of people didn't like it. Alright. This is Moon Knight. This one's definitely my buddy's book. This is a variation of Moon Knight from 2021. This should get... I see a little spine rub here, so I'm gonna say it's gonna get a 9.6. Hopefully he gets a 9.8. What do we get? 9.6. Yeah, had a little spine rub there in the corner and little neck. It's hard, man. These all black covers. It's very hard to get a high grade on these. So this is the 2021 Hoyt's variant cover. It's a pretty badass cover, though. It's a pretty freaking cool cover, I would say that. Spider-Man Unlimited. Unlimited #1. See a couple spine ticks. This is actually my buddy's book, if I'm not mistaken. So this one right here, I'm assuming this is going to get like a 9.4. What do we get? 9.6, okay. Yeah, had a little spine rub there. And a corner neck. Actually, I think they're pretty generous with this 9.6, but for those that don't know, this is the first appearance of Shriek. 9.6. Can't complain, White Pager. Alright, we'll do one more here. Marvel Comics presents Wolverine #86. This is definitely my buddy's book. He is a big X-Men fan, so do see a little spine ticks on the back here. In the corner, so probably a 9.4, 9.6. What do we get? 9.6. Pretty much the theme of this box. 9.6. So, Marvel Comics presents 1986. It is a really cool cover, though, with Wolverine on the front of it. I'm a huge Wolverine fan. Love that. Love the back of this cover with Beast on it. But 9.6. All right, so that'll be the first part of this video. I mean, 196, 296s, 396. We got 198s, 298s, 398s, and then the rest of these are 96. Oh, shit. And then the rest of these are 96s, 96, Moon Knight. We got the Legends. 2 Beavis and Buttheads, both 96s. The Avengers, 96. Legends, 96. And the Omega Red, 9.8 again. So, can't complain, man. I think we did, what, 12 books here, 13 books. You know, we got 4 9.8s, the rest is 9.6s. So, it's all I can really ask for when you open up a box. Guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And until next time, guys.